an LPN, just graduated from LPN school. Thank you.
How much do you make?
30 an hour.
I'm a nurse, an RPN.
How much do you make in your role?
About $30.
I'm a NICU nurse.
How much do you make?
35 and some change.
I'm a registered nurse. I make about $35 an hour without differentials.
I'm an ICU nurse.
ICU nurse. How much do you make?
$42 an hour.
I'm a nurse.
A nurse?
Yep.
How long have you been doing that?
Since 2008, I work in the neonatal intensive care unit with premature babies.
How much do you make in your
I
role?
make $43 an hour.
Do you feel well compensated?
No, not enough staff, but that's all the way around.
And you're based where?
Tennessee.
I am a registered nurse.
Registered nurse.
I'm in my last semester to be a registered nurse.
How much are you making in your role?
Hourly about $43 an hour, so about $85,000 a year.
And do you have a job yet, or are you working towards it?
I'm working towards it, but hopefully around 41 an hour starting as a new grad.
I'm a travel nurse.
How much do you make?
I would say roughly around $90,000 to $100,000 a year. I think all nurses should get raises, no matter if you're staff or if you're travel nurses.
I'm a pediatric nurse practitioner.
How much do you make in your role?
Right around 100,000.
I'm an operating room nurse.
How much are you currently making in your role?
110, 120,000.
Nurse practitioner.
And how much do you make?
I make 120. I'm in Maryland.
I'm a travel nurse.
How much do you make?
Yearly, like 123,000.
I'm a travel nurse. How much are you making as a travel nurse in Philly?
Between like 130 to 140.
I am a registered nurse.
And how much do you make in your role?
So it kind of varies because it's a big bonus opportunity.
Okay.
But anywhere from 120 to 180 plus. I left bedside nursing a really long time ago. I'm actually doing nurse case management now.
Okay.
So it's completely different than your average normal nurse.
I've been a nurse practitioner for 8 years, and before that I was a labor and delivery nurse for 6 years.
How much do you make?
Well, it varies. So my base salary is $144.
Okay.
And then with bonuses, I can make, so last year I made over $200,000.
Wow.
The year before that was more like $180.
Yeah.
So usually bonuses can be anywhere from $20,000 to $100,000.
I'm a travel nurse.
A travel nurse. How long have you been doing it?
I've been a nurse for 4 years. I've been traveling for 2.
How much do you make?
So my salary fluctuates. Last year I made $150,000 and this year I should hit $240,000.
Wow. Okay, so is that largely based on travel? What causes you to earn more?
So when you're a travel nurse, you have 2 different types of income. You have an hourly rate and then you get a stipend for living accommodations.
Okay.
So that's why you end up taking home so much.
I'm a nurse anesthetist.
How much do you make?
Last year I made $280. You have to be an RN first. So I went to nursing school and then I had to work in the ICU for at least a year.
Nice.
I worked there probably 7 and then I went to anesthesia school.
Nice. And do you like what you do overall?
Yeah, I love it. Best decision ever.